Hi. In many societies, there are highly qualified and technically skilled professionals like chartered accountants, software engineers, and so on, who are feeling stuck at a particular stage of their career. They don't know what they are lacking. While others who are technically lesser qualified, who are less knowledgeable, less experienced, but they are moving ahead of them in their careers. There is a big reason for that. And this is the reason or a factor which is given very less importance in many societies and cultures. And when I have made that comparison of winners and not those who are not winners in the career, I realized that giving priority to technical skills and low priority to so-called soft skills is no longer a success strategy. I will repeat, giving priority to technical skills and low priority to so-called soft skills is no longer a success strategy. I remember earlier we used to laugh at some of our friends saying, "Here comes Jack of all and master of none." I believe sooner or later, this world is going to recognize and respect those Jack of alls. I believe the masters, they will lose their premium in the market. Why? Because masters will compete. They will get strong competition from specialized artificial intelligence. Specialized artificial intelligence, which is also called narrow AI, is becoming sharper and sharper and hundreds and thousand times better than us as humans in doing those specialist jobs. And this competition to experts is coming in all domains. No one is immune. Be it a doctor or an accountant or an engineer or an auditor or a customer service function, or a financial analyst, or a bank teller, or a learning and development specialist, and so on. So then what will be left with us as humans? We will left with what the world calls as soft skills. And what are those soft skills which will be in amazing demand in future? They are something like idea generation, critical thinking, design thinking, working with people, being an advisor, being an influencer and someone good in negotiation, business development, and the one which I like the most, communication skills. So if you see, these so-called soft skills have soft competition as of now and have huge potential to differentiate us from artificial intelligence and machine learning. These softer skills, they will carry huge premium in years to come. And if you want to learn more about this, then I encourage you to go through the World Economic Forum's Future of Job report. I have given the link of the report of the year 2020 report in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Do share your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you and have a fantastic life.